trees are the kindest things. These poem is composed by Harry Bain. So student, if anyone asks you how does trees important for us, so you will say that the trees give us oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide, and oxygen help for breathing, and also it gives us fruit, vegetables, food and shelter and many things. And trees are our best friend also, and trees is very important for us. Life is not possible without the trees. You that this answer you can say that. So student, let's firstly recite the poem. This is the first stanza of this poem. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and feathered bird among their boughs. So friend, here the poet Harry Bain is want to thank the trees for all the things. So he says that, the poet says that trees are the kindest things I know. So he says that the trees are the kindest thing in all. Here is the word kindest. It means a very kind-hearted. So trees, how does it trees kindness? So trees the kindest thing because they do not harm us and they simply grow. They do not any demand. They don't have any demand. They simply grow, and also they do not harm us and spread a shade for sleepy cows. And trees also they spread the shade for the sleepy cows and even for the human beings also. If anyone get tired, then he or she can relax on the shade in the shade of the tree. So trees are spread the shade for the sleepy cows, even human beings also, and feathered bird among their bough. So friend, here is a new word bough. Bough means branches. So the trees are also the home for the birds. Also the bird gather among their boughs. The bird gather among their branches also as a home of the birds. So let's see the next stanza of this poem. And let's recite the second stanza of this poem. They give us fruits in leaves above, and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in spring new birds of green. So here is a new word Halloween. It is a festival in autumn celebrated in western countries. So here the writer says that the trees provide us fruits and flower both, and wood to make our houses of. And the word says that they also provide us wood to make our houses, and the another use of the wood is that it can be used as fuel and to make furniture and toys also. And Halloween, it is a festival, as you know that it is a festival which is celebrated in winter season. So in winter season people require hot and warm. So at this time the leaves the trees shed off their leaves, and the people burn the dry leaves of the trees to get the hot and warm. In this way they help us. And in spring new birds of green. So as you know that in spring there is a summer season. So the trees give new birds, and it is help in this way the trees help to decrease the intensity of the bark. So student, let's see the third stanza of this poem. Let's recite the third stanza of this poem. They are first when the days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. So when the tall trees are the very tall things. When the sun rises, the first rays of the sun fall on the trees. In this way, the poet says that the trees are the first who touch the beams of morning sun. And second line, they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. So the poet says that when the evening changes into night, the last rays of the sun fall on the trees. So the poet says that the last to hold the light is that the trees. So students, let's see the last stanza of this poem. Recite the last stanza of this poem. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children along a row. Trees are the kindest things I know. So the poet says that it is when it is night, the moon actives in the sky, the cool breeze flows, and then the trees makes a sound like a lullaby. So lullaby, it is a song to put the children to sleep. So lullaby, it is sung by the mother to sleep their child. But the poet says that when the cool breeze passes through the branches of the trees, then it sounds like a lullaby, which is enough for a children for sleep. So here is a drowsy. Drowsy is a new word which means sleepy. So in this way, the poet says that trees are the kindest things I know. So students, let's see the word meaning of this poem. Kindness means very soft hearted. Those main branches of a tree. Follow me. A festival in autumn celebrated in western countries. Drowsy means sleepy. Lullaby means soft slow song to put children to sleep. So students, in this chapter we have learned about the kindness of the trees. The writer says how the trees kind for us. It is the most kindest thing for us. So students, watch the video perfectly and do the work properly. And also I want to request you dear parents along with your child at the time of the when your child is doing their work. So thank you.